Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Another MJ over-the-counter stock here. This will probably be the last one. Maybe I'll do some other ones today, but I got some other stocks that I need to look at. So here is another MJ one. Just did one on TrueLeaf and some solar stocks. Last week did a over-the-counter MJ stock on TerraSand, Green Thumb, Cresco, Curaleaf. Those are all pretty good stocks, I think, even though they are over-the-counter. They're doing better than some of the ones on the NASDAQ, so don't discount them. But back to Verano, again, it's over-the-counter. TD, Ameritrade, Schwab, I know, charges a commission. Fidelity, last I bought them, did not. So if you want to buy these on a brokerage without a commission, look at Fidelity. No disrespect to TD or Schwab, but just stating my opinion. So they're currently at a strong buy with a 1-year price target of $9.48, currently at $2.88. So if we look at them over the past year, they've came down probably about 60-70%. They were 811 and just kind of came down ever since then. A major drop off here even in December. So in the past month, they've just been kind of up and down, 324 range, 284, and it's just been kind of up and down right in that 280 momentum ever since. Again, 290s. You get a dip there, went up above $3. It's testing that $3 range, but only broke through it once. 284, and here's a look at today. So just kind of up and down. I suppose you could trade this one, but I just look into buying them whenever I can and holding them for the long term. So Verano announces the opening of Miami-Kendall, the company's first medical dispensary in Miami-Dade County and 68th Florida location. So Verano's heavy in Florida. There's one other one I'd have to go back and look. Maybe it's Cresco or Curaleaf. That's pretty heavy in Florida as well, and just in a handful of other states. But the majority of their locations are in Florida. So there's the location, 9711 Southwest 77th Avenue, directly adjacent to U.S. Pinecrest Parkway. So if you've been there, you can list that in the comments. A busy thoroughfare with an average daily traffic count of 92,500 vehicles. So that's a busy street right there. So the dispensary, Florida's most populated region, with 2,673,837 residents. In 2021, the greater Miami area recorded a total of 24.2 million tourists, signing a full recovery to pre-pandemic levels. So, very nice. Verano's active operations span 13 states, comprised of 129 dispensaries and 14 cultivation and processing facilities with more than 1 million square feet of cultivation capacity. Verano Holdings is a leading multi-state MJ company. Today announced the opening of the Miami Kendall on Friday, June 2nd, the company's 68th dispensary and 129 retail outlets nationwide. So over half of them are in Florida. First dispensary in Miami-Dade, located at that location. Company's signature hospitality and wide variety of high-quality MJ products in Florida's largest and most densely populated metro area. 24 million annual tourists, so this one should be a busy location. It is a huge milestone for Verano that will allow us to better serve patients in Florida's most populated metro areas. Florida is demonstrated by 26 stores. We've opened the Sunshine State since the beginning of 2022. Demonstration of Verano's commitment to provide a convenient and reliable experience for Florida patients. Product selection include edibles, chocolates, lozenges, flower pre-rolls, an array of vaporizer pens, concentrates, metered dose inhalers, topicals, and oral sprays, along with patented encapsulation formulation and its end caps. Capsules, tinctures, 72-hour transdermal pouches, and transdermal gels. So a wide variety of products. Opening of ZenLeaf at Pittsburgh McKnight, the company's 17th affiliated Pennsylvania dispensary and 128th retail location nationwide. So it sounds like they're pretty heavy on the East Coast. So May 25th, Verano Holdings. I know this is an old article, but still relevant to going over the stock. I couldn't find a whole lot about this one, so decided to throw this in there. If you don't like it, skip over it. So, multi-leading state MJ company today announced the grand opening of ZenLeaf at 4778 McKnight Road on Friday. So if you've been there, you can list that in the comments. ZenLeaf at Pittsburgh McKnight is located Allegheny County, the second most densely populated county in Commonwealth. McKnight location adds another convenient outlet for Pittsburgh area patients, complementing the company's existing affiliated ZenLeaf dispensaries in Cranberry, Monroeville, and Kensington, Pittsburgh, Robinson, and Washington. Thrilled to welcome patients ZenLeaf, our 17th affiliated dispensary location in the Commonwealth, as we further strengthen our footprint in the core Verano market. So it looks like they're hitting that one pretty heavy. So they're a leading vertically integrated multi-state MJ operator in the United States devoted to ongoing improvement of communal wellness by providing responsible access to regulated MJ products, mission to address in health and wellness. Verano produces a comprehensive suite, high-quality, innovative MJ products sold under the trusted portfolio consumer brands, including Verano. Verano's portfolio encompasses 14 U.S. states. Hopefully soon will be 40 if you're invested into this one, with active operations in 13, including 14 production facilities comprising over 1 million square feet of cultivation capacity. Verano designs, builds, operates dispensaries under retail brands, including ZenLeaf, delivering a superior MJ shopping experience in both medical and adult use markets. And there's some forward-thinking statements. Moving on here, opening, again, kind of some of the same information just here on Yahoo Finance. So you that like this view a little bit better, we're just going to kind of skim through here, but pretty much the same information that we've already went over. And again, you can find that on Yahoo Finance. Over here on Reddit, check the U.S. stocks for the first time in months. Thy bag shalt remain to be held. That's what I say. Currently holding, so they're all down, so unfortunately. But it does create a buying opportunity, so if you're looking to purchase more, now's probably a good time to watch them. Over here on StockTwits, currently at $2.89. Take it to the max. Delayed. No other information in here than what we've already went over. Over here on Tip Ranks, again, showing it as a strong buy. All of these over-the-counter stocks have been buys, if not strong buys. And like I said, I just did one on TrueLeaf, TerraSend last week, Green Thumb Industries, Cresco Labs, and CureLeaf. They all have great ratings. So this one's currently at $2.89 with an upside to $8.50 and a strong buy, high of $10.27, low of $5. So you'd still be almost doubling your money even if it hit $5. That's all I have on Verano. If you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments along with your cost basis, any other information you'd like to share, and if there's any other MJ stocks you want me to take a look at, make a video. I'd be happy to do that as well. Had a request last week for Canopy Growth. Even though I hadn't looked at Canopy Growth, it was just kind of ugly when I did look at it. It's went down so much, but I'm going to be looking at buying some more of that because I think I have a current cost basis in CGC of $38, so kind of sad, but still holding. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.